So good morning from the Netherlands. I have here a Boley Kreuztisch, and I'm going to show the condition and some details. So it's in a very beautiful condition. It's surfaced, it's been oiled. I used the Factra number 2 oil for this V-slides, and I adjusted everything. It goes smooth. The axial bearing, yeah, I checked everything is good. It's easy to adjust also, both of them. Yeah, and this cross slide is special because it's possible to change it. Now it's for a right-handed lathe, but it's possible to change it for a left-handed lathe by removing here the spindle. So this part needs to be removed from this part, and then it goes, this is just a screw, which makes it possible and to move this spindle to the other side. And also this item goes in here, and so internal you also need to exchange. I can show that actually. So this part here, the rotation point also moves to the other side, and there it is. So this is a blind. This is just a part without a function, just a cover. And so this black part goes in here and this one goes in there. Yeah, so you need to remove the top slide by pulling out this excenter. Yeah, maybe one time I will make a video about how to do this, if there is a demand. But so this one is for right-handed lathe. Thank you for watching.